Hey guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you guys having a nice day. In this video I'm going to show you how can you download Roblox. So first of all, it is available in your Play Store, and if you are iOS user it is also available in App Store. Now I'm just going to Play Store to download it. Now in the Play Store, in the top search bar, search for Roblox. And after searching for it, here you can see the install option beside Roblox. Just click on it. It will require 143 MB to download it. Now after installing Roblox, you can just go into the game by clicking it here and play it. So guys, that's how you can download Roblox. Hope you found this video helpful. If you found this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.